Hello everyone and welcome back to our Intro to JavaScript series. If you didn't see part 1, we learned what JavaScript is and what it is used for. In this part, we'll be learning how to run code using JavaScript. Let's get into it. Alright, let's open up our code editor and create a new file. I already have a Visual Studio Code file started, but if you don't, just create a new one. We're now going to create a new file and call it index.html. In here, we're going to put our HTML script, which is basically the base of our code. For this, I'm just going to look up an HTML shell and copy that right in. All right, then up here we have our doc type, which is HTML. Then we have our heading, and all of this is basically just metadata, and you won't see that when we run the code. And then we have our body in here. Next, we are going to open up a new folder. I'm calling this one code, and then we'll open up a file in this folder, which I'm naming script.js. The .js is important because it lets the program know that it is a JavaScript file. Now we're going to start to type our code. We're making an alert pop-up, so we start with that, and then we put everything in a parentheses, a quote, and type whatever you'd like to say, and end with a semicolon. Next, we need to combine our script with our HTML. So in our body, we're going to type out an open caret and script, src for source, equals open quote code/script.js, then end quote, end caret, and it'll add in this little script part. And the code is in reference to our code folder, and the script.js is our file with our code. The last thing we need to do is save both of our files. Right click on our HTML, click Open in File Explorer, then open up the file. Look at that, we just coded our own window pop-up. Thank you all for following along with us, and be sure to like and subscribe.